Hello everyone, today we will talk about set. We already discussed the list, tuple, and the dictionaries. Now set, what's the difference? It does not have order in it, it's mutable, and it does not allow duplicates. It uses the curly brackets or braces, but does not like the dictionary, there is no keys there. So for example, this is a my set 1 to 5. You can print it out. If you have multiple values, for example, a lot of 3 here, it will only keep one of them. It is also a method to help you dedupe. Here's another set. You can use list as a set elements here. You can use a string. However, if you use string here, you see the output, there's only one L here. You can also define an empty set and print it out. If you only use a bracket, it will say, oh, it's a dictionary. However, if you use a set here, then the class will be set. For this empty set, you can also add values there using .add here to add a value. Here, if you want to remove it, just use remove. You can remove the 3 from the set. But if you remove something not in the set, then you will get errors. Use the remove method. However, there is another one, it's called discard. For the discard one, if you use the one in the list, is fine. If it is not, there will be no error here. You can clear all the set using .clear. Here is the set. You can also use the pop method. This one will randomly remove an item from the set. In this case, it's removed 1, the first item. And for the set, you can also print out all the elements using a for loop here. For I in my set, print it. And you can also check if a certain value is in the set. If yes, then it will print out yes. Here we will talk about how you merge all the different sets. Here we have 3 sets, odds, even, and primes. If you use .union, it will union all the 2 sets together. You can see 1, 0 to 9. And also you can use intersection there. If you ask .intersection even, because they don't have anything same in each set, then it will print an empty set. If you use odds intersections of prime, then you can get the one like 3, 5, 7 in it. Here's another example about a 2 set, A and B. If you use .different, then you can find the different from set A. Compared with B, it's a 5 to 9. It's different. You can also use the symmetric difference here. For this one, it will find out all the difference from 2 sets. So except the 1, 2, 3, others are all different. So we have 11, 12, 13 there. You can also use the update one to update the original set with the new one. So you have all the elements there. Still, for this example, you can also use intersection update one. This one will only keep the ones which are in both sets. The next one is a difference update. For this one, for the original one, it will only keep the different one, like a 4 to 9 there. If you use the symmetric difference update, then it will update all the difference there. Just delete the 1, 2, 3. Here in this example, you can use is subset to see if some set value is in another one. In this case, A is not a subset of B, so it's false. However, here if you say is A a superset of B, then that's true because all the elements in B can be found in set A. You can also print out is disjoint. If A is disjoint C, yes, because they don't have anything same there. Here is about the modification. We know a set A. If we have another set, we just use set B equals set A. So any change you do for the set B, it will also impact the set A. They point to the same memory place. So that's why here, if you add 4 there to B, the A also change. If you do not want to have this impact, you can use dot copy to make a copy of the original set. In this case, if you add value to the new set B, the A will still be the same. Here's another one, it's about the frozen set. This one is immutable, or you can say hashable. A is a frozen set. Here you can say you use a list 1, 2, 3. So this frozen set is still with the elements 1, 2, 3 there. You can, if you want to add a value there, because remember it's immutable, then you'll get an error here. You cannot have this attribute. Similarly, you cannot remove any items from it. So here today we talk about set. Hope you like it. Thank you. Next time we will talk about strings. See you then. Bye.